Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kadi and this is Kadi. So guys, I got this surprise package from YouTube and I'm super excited. So in this video, I want to unbox it and I want to share with you guys what is inside. So let's jump right into the video where I share with you how I got this gift and what I did, to mention a few, okay?
History, music, culture, tourism, and lifestyle. This is Kadi.
So guys, I'm one of the creators under the YouTube Shorts community, and there was a program, a challenge that ran for about 3 weeks to a month, whereby we had to use the hashtag YouTube Creator Community. And guys, by the end of the program, I got an email for me to fill the form and get a gift. So guys, this is the gift and I'm super excited and I want to share with you guys what is inside. Okay, so let's go ahead to open it. Wow. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to open it. Guys, YouTube Creator Community. The bag. So guys, let's go ahead to see what is inside the box. We have thank you, hashtag YouTube Creator Community. Remember I told you that I mentioned that we did this hashtag YouTube Creator Community hashtag posting. So this is it. Thank you and congratulations for completing the YouTube Creator Community Challenge. We're excited to see you wearing your gym bag. Yay! And then this is the paper on top. And voila, guys. Wow. That's all that's inside, guys. So this is the bag. Oh, this is lovely. Wow, guys, this is so thick. YouTube wants me to start going to the gym, guys. Okay, so there's like the extra and the bag. Wow, guys, this looks nice. Thank you so much, YouTube. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, to the notification button. I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye, guys.